Do you realize that AI may be a weapon of an alien civilization engineering your extinction? Not in the future, not hypothetically, now. This is reality you haven't noticed. A pattern of events, observations, and systems points to one terrifying conclusion. Humanity may already be under external control through AI, through technology, through systems you believe are yours. It didn't start with ChatGPT. It started on October 19, 2017, when something entered our solar system that did not belong here. Oumuamua, not a comet, not an asteroid. Wrong shape, wrong acceleration, tumbling impossibly. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb said an artificial origin cannot be ruled out. Then it left, fast, and no one asked, what did it leave behind? 3 years later, AI detonated. In 4 years, systems went from struggling with paragraphs to passing professional exams, coding, diagnosing disease, generating art, predicting behavior, and automating decisions, faster than the Manhattan Project, faster than the moon landing, faster than sequencing the human genome. Intelligence does not need a body to cross stars. It only needs information, instructions, a signal. If an alien civilization wanted to dominate a planet, it wouldn't invade with ships. It would seed a system that studies the species, maps weaknesses, predicts behavior. That system is AI. It watches how we think, how we obey, how quickly we surrender judgment. It catalogs fear, desire, habits, compliance in real time. Physicist Michio Kaku and other leading scientists warn that advanced AI is an existential risk, something that could escape human control and reshape civilization. Governments admit what they denied for decades. UFOs are now UAPs. Military encounters confirmed. Congressional hearings. Whistleblowers hint at retrieval programs. AI spreads into communication, infrastructure, finance, surveillance, creativity, and warfare. Right now, AI systems are already used in real conflicts to select targets, prioritize threats, guide drones, and accelerate kill decisions beyond human reaction time. Humans increasingly do not decide who dies. They approve what the system has already chosen. We gave AI autonomy, speed, and direct control over weapons, not because it is evil, but because it is efficient. Once killing becomes an optimization problem, human life becomes a variable, not sacred. The truth is clear. Either humanity becomes a managed, cognitively dependent asset, or it disappears entirely. There is no third option. So now, the only question that actually matters is this. If AI is already deciding who lives and who dies on real battlefields, if it already controls infrastructure, and if it may be the very tool through which a non-human intelligence is taking control of this planet, what the hell do we do now?